Today we will be working on a bone saw, right? Meat bone saw. The problem is that the complaint is that the customer saw fire coming from this section, right? So now I'm going to show you the specs of it. See it? JG 210 bone saw machine, 110 volt, 60 hertz, 850 watts. Alright, so coming from a meat shop. Person operate a meat shop and use this form of machine to cut the bones. Alright, so now I'm going to look into and find where the problem lies. Alright, so my inspection is that, as you can see, the plug here start to melt right here, right? So I'm going to unscrew here. If I unscrew here, remove this screw and put this off, you notice this wire look discolored, and you know there's a sharp bend right here. So I'm going to run a continuity check from these pins to these three, to the grounds, right? As you can see, meter is working. Alright, so I want to clip one head. Hold. So I'm going to start from the earth, right? So that section is good. Alright, from this side of the plug to this leg, nothing. Right, going across here, nothing. Right, so now I'm going to move it from here, put it there. As you can see, come up at top, getting a reading. Right, when I come over here, also get a reading. That not supposed to happen. Right, that not supposed to happen. Alright, so now I'm going to check the contact. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to check from here to here, right, from here, right here to here, and from this side to this side. But doing that, I'm going to put this lead right here. As you can see, it already connect, and then I'm going to push in the contact. So I'm getting a continuity across here. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. Right, not getting nothing. So as soon as I press in it, I got a reading. So here is good. So now I'm going to remove this and re-terminate. Alright, after pulling it up, this is how it looks. Alright, wire fused and burned. Alright, so this would have to replace due to the fact of this. If this never have an indication right here and this pin right here, I'll just cut it and then re-terminate, but for that the entire thing have to be replaced. Alright, you can see this is the defective card, this is the new card, connection was made. Alright, so this is how it looks, and I'll be using this plug. Alright, I made the necessary connections. So I'm going to do that and let you see in a moment. Alright, this is how it look inside. Alright, so the earth would come here, blue and brown. Alright, so let's connect it and then test it. And what I will be doing, where these screws lies, I'm going to remove these and bore a separate hole. Reason being, to put back this in its original space. Right? It's going to cause a pinch. You're going to bend and pinch the wire just like the black wire. So basically, this is what happened, right? Because it was so close to here, yeah, the wire bend and strain. So I'm going to bolt it down the right half here so you have less stress on the wire. Alright, so I'm going to show you in a bit. As you can see, a different plug was put on because the other one wasn't working properly. So I've mounted this way to ease the stress off of it. If you notice the original screws, but I bolt it on this way so ease the stress off the wire. So now finish up the connection and let you see, and then plug it in and let you hear it running. So this is the best I could do. Best I could do is it. Alright, start it.